Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Finally, Nifty comes down till near 14,350. So for now, if it sustains above 14,350 to 400, then most likely it move for 14,800 plus zone. Otherwise, below 14,500, it will sustain in between 14,000 to 14,400. Let's come to Nifty chart. Nifty sustain above 14,350 after correction. So for now, below 14,350, it most likely comes down for 14,000 to 14,200 for reverse. Otherwise, above 14,500, it shows a fresh move for uptrend till 14,800 to 15,000. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near 31,200. So for now, above 31,200 to 500, it will try to move for 32,500 plus zone. Otherwise, below 31,000, it will reverse from 30,600 to 900, reversal support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty comes down for 31,000. So for now, above 31,200 to 500, most likely it move for up till 32,500. Otherwise, below 31,000, it comes down for 30,600 to 900, reversal support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty and Nifty support resistance levels. There are a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that's 14,750. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that 14,489 and 14,600. Same as there have a crucial support for Nifty future, that's 14,000. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 14,300 and 14,180. Same as for Bank Nifty future also, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 32,000. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 31,586 and 31,876. There have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 30,600. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports, that's are 30,900 and 30,729. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Lupin, that LTP is 1079. Its upper range is 1150 and lower range is 1050. So if it sustains above its midpoint, that 1075 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance or higher resistance, that 1150. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint, that 1075 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its lower range or lower reversal support or major support, that 1050. And when it reverse from its major support, that 1050, then midpoint 1075 act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. We can call midpoint as pivot point and upper range called higher resistance or lower range called major support. Lupin, that LTP is 1079. Sundaram Fastener, that LTP is 564. Radico, that LTP is 514. Unichem Lab, that LTP is 292. SEC, that LTP is 1694. Grasim, that LTP is 1004. Ultra Cement, that LTP is 5534. Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2409. Infosys, that LTP is 1340. LT, that LTP is 1362. MGL, that LTP is 1041. MGL looks very attractive for me. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. We can call upper range as higher resistance, lower range call major resistance, and midpoint called pivot point. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Red star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID.